In this video, we will learn how to create or add labels in Google Keep Notes. So let's start. This is my Google Keep. Here I have so many notes maintained. So I just add one more notes here. So I just enter the some list A, B, C, and D. Okay, and I want to add these nodes in new labels. So you can here use hashtag. When you enter the hashtag, here you see already two labels in created in this Google Keep. Here you see two labels show here left hand side, and here showing the both name. You can select if you want to add these notes in this label, so you can select it and you can create also. I just enter here the work and just enter. Here you see the automatically labels created, and just close it. Go to the work labels. Here you see you just create the one notes and add it in work label, and label also create with the notes. So this is a way you can easily create the label shortcut way in Google Keeps. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.